In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Minecraft in Infinite Craft. To start with, you want to drag out earth and combine that with wind, which will give us dust. From there, dust can be combined with earth to create planet, and we can then combine planet with planet to create star. From there, fire and star will actually create sun, and we can combine fire and sun to create solar. Solar can then be combined with planet to create system, and we can put fire with system to create computer. From here, computer and system will create software, and we then have to combine dust with dust to create sand. We can then put sand with sand to create desert, and desert with software will create sandbox. We can now put that to the side, and we can now combine fire with water, which will actually give us steam. We then want to combine earth with fire to give us lava, and we can put earth with lava to create stone. We then want to put stone with lava to create obsidian, and we can put steam and obsidian together to create glass. We then want to put glass with obsidian to create a mirror. And then if we put mirror with mirror, we can actually create a kaleidoscope. We then want to drag out water and then get stone and combine those together to create rock. And we can put rock and kaleidoscope together to create crystal. From there, crystal and crystal will create gem, and gem will make diamond. And then in order to create Minecraft, we just need to combine these two together, sandbox and diamond, which will give us Minecraft. So that's how you can create Minecraft in Infinite Craft. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.